What is cryptocurrency and how you can make money with cryptocurrency? Even if you are a complete beginner who doesn't know what the heck is cryptocurrency, in this video I will explain in the most simplest way possible so that you understand what cryptocurrency is, everything you need to know about cryptocurrency, and how you can make money with cryptocurrency. So let's begin. Hey guys, if you are new here, my name is Renson and welcome to my channel, and in this video we will talk about cryptocurrency. Well, I'm also a beginner in cryptocurrency, and because of the popularity in the past few months, I have did my own research and started my cryptocurrency journey. So as a beginner and as far as I have understand, I will try to make you understand in the most simplest way possible by using words which are quite simple and which you will understand. So in this video you will learn what is cryptocurrency, what is Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, why it has become so popular in these past few months, can you make money with cryptocurrency, how to make money with cryptocurrency, and also an interesting topic about how to make interest from cryptocurrency, just like keeping your money in your bank and getting interest every single year. How much money do you need to start making money with cryptocurrency? Should you invest or trade cryptocurrency? Well, if you don't understand the meaning of trading or investing, or if you don't understand the difference, I will explain. How to invest or trade cryptocurrency, which software should you use, which tools should you use, or which app should you use. Okay, so those are the things you will learn in this video. So let's start with what is cryptocurrency. Very simple, think of it as a currency like the dollar, the euro, the pound, the rupees, but it is digital. We cannot have cryptocurrency in the form of cash or any physical thing. It is a digital currency and you can store it in a digital wallet. Just like you have money in your bank account or your PayPal account, you can have cryptocurrency in a digital wallet. So you may ask, what is a digital wallet? Well, that I will tell you later in the video. Those are the tools or software where you can buy these cryptocurrencies and keep it in your account. Okay, so what are these? Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin. Well, these are just cryptocurrencies. Just like we have dollar, euro, pound, and all these different kinds of currency, there are also different kinds of cryptocurrencies. And Bitcoin is an example of cryptocurrency. Ethereum, Dogecoin, there are many cryptocurrencies. And that is the simplest definition of cryptocurrency. And you don't need to know anything else. Just understand that it is a digital currency. So why has it gotten so popular in the past few months? The answer is very simple. It's because more people are getting interested into cryptocurrencies. Dogecoin at the beginning of this year was worth 5 cents, but now it's worth 50 cents, which means the value increased by 10 times. And if you have invested $1,000 in Dogecoin by the beginning of this year, now you will have $10,000. And if you have invested $100,000 by the beginning of this year, you will have now $1 million. And some people have already become millionaires because of the increase in price of Dogecoin. If you search in YouTube Dogecoin millionaire, you will find a lot of videos. Cryptocurrencies are created by using a technology called blockchain. By the way, you don't need to know what blockchain is, just understand that it is created by a technology called blockchain and they are very secure. All the transactions are secure and everything is secure. That's what you need to know. And people think that cryptocurrency is the future. The reason for that is because it is digital and you can transfer it to anywhere in the world, and people think it is the future, and in the future we will be using cryptocurrencies, and that is why it has gotten so popular. And also many people like Elon Musk and a lot of other celebrities are started to talk about cryptocurrencies. And if you see in YouTube the financial gurus like Andre Zake, Graham Stephan, Meet Kevin, they are also talking about cryptocurrencies, which is increasing the popularity of cryptocurrency, and that is why it has gotten so popular in the past few months. So can you make money with cryptocurrency? Of course yes, and I will be explaining that later in the video. So how much money do you need to start making money with cryptocurrency or buy cryptocurrency? You can start with as minimum as $5, or if you live in India, something around 100 rupees. You don't need to have $1,000 to start investing in cryptocurrency. You can just start with $5. Should you invest or trade cryptocurrency? So how do you actually make money with cryptocurrency? So you can make money with cryptocurrency by either trading or investing. So let's talk about trading. What is trading? Most of you must already know, but trading is simply trading. So you buy cryptocurrency when the price is lower and you sell it when the price gets higher. For example, when you buy dogecoin when it's worth 50 cents but you sell it when it's worth 60 cents, you make a profit of 20%. The more money you put into it, the bigger the loss or the profit will be. So just like a regular day trading or the forex trading or all the other trading things that's happening, you can also trade cryptocurrencies, and that is the first way you can make money with cryptocurrency. The second way is actually what most people are interested into at the moment, and the reason for that is because the price of cryptocurrencies tend to get much higher and higher, and people are hoping that if they buy cryptocurrencies now and after a few months or few years the price will go so much higher, and later they can sell the cryptocurrencies with a very big profit. As you can see, at the beginning of this year the price of dogecoin was very low, but now it's 10 times higher and people are expecting that it's going to go up. So what most people are interested now is to invest in dogecoin, and if you search on YouTube you can see a lot of videos about people investing in dogecoin, discussing about dogecoin, and that is what investing in cryptocurrency typically means. But I don't think we can call this investing, because cryptocurrency is not a company or anything like that. It's just a digital currency. But if you believe that it will be the currency of the future and more people will get interested into it, you can buy a lot of cryptocurrency and hold it with the hope that the price will increase in the future. Okay, so where do you buy this cryptocurrency, which website, which software, or which tool? How do you trade this cryptocurrency, and how can you make interest by buying this cryptocurrency? Okay, the tool or the software or the website I use is called wazirx, which I will link in the description below. You can sign up for free and start trading or buying these cryptocurrencies. So why do I use wazirx instead of all the other alternatives available out there? The first reason is because it just works for me, and the second reason is because you can withdraw the coin, and it is important because in a moment I'm gonna show you how you can make interest by buying these bitcoins or all these other cryptocurrencies. And the last reason why I like it a lot is because you don't need to buy it just by clicking on the buy button, but you can set an automatic buying price. So for example, when you want to buy a coin when it's worth $40, you can set the price at $40 and mark it. So when the coin is worth $40, the system will automatically buy it for you, and that is a feature which I like. Then how do we make interest from this coin? Okay, to make interest from this coin I use something called BlockFi. The link is in the description below. Okay, so what you do is you buy these coins on wazirx and withdraw it into your BlockFi account, and the BlockFi will give you an interest of about 5 to 10% every single year, which is much higher than the bank interest rate. All the links are in the description below. Okay, so that's basically cryptocurrency and how you can make money with cryptocurrency and why it's getting popular. Now I will give you my thoughts. Is investing in cryptocurrency a good thing? I don't know, and nobody knows, because cryptocurrency is not a company and we cannot predict whether the price is going to go up or down. It entirely depends on us. It entirely depends on how many people are interested in it. If cryptocurrency has to become the future currency, obviously the price will go much higher, and if you believe it will become the future currency, it will be wise to buy a lot of it. So it's kind of like a risk or like gambling. For now we don't know whether the price will go up or we don't know whether the price will go down. It's a risk, but don't think that if it's a risk you should avoid. I think in life we should take some risks. So whatever your net worth is, I think it is not wise to put all your money into cryptocurrency, but you can put a fraction of it if you believe that cryptocurrency is the future. For me, I will invest in cryptocurrency. I will buy Bitcoin through wazirx and put it in BlockFi and make the interest with the hope that the price of Bitcoin will increase in the future. And for some of the cryptocurrencies whose price goes up and down quite a lot, you can use it to trade every single day. And that is my thought on cryptocurrency. I think you should definitely look into it and put some of your money into it with a hope. Yeah, that's it. And if you enjoyed this video, please drop a like, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Once again, thank you for watching and see you in the next video.